We got Jiwoon, Feel It Too. This came out a while ago, but been loving her voice. I feel like her voice is just so nice ever since she debuted. So I'm excited to see this. I can't believe I haven't seen this yet, but here we are. Feel It Too.
Blame it on me.
Interesting style of music video though. Does it look like a karaoke thing? Ooh. Hold up. Ooh. What up, Prada? Looks like it came out of a camcorder. Yeah, I agree. Woo! Hey! I got it bad, I'm obsessed. All these likes, the little hearts. Is it like an Instagram like? Talk about it, bro. People be sleeping on her. I feel. Sometimes me too, but you know, I be waking up here and there. I like the little retro feel of like an old Windows. I might have to add this to the playlist. Oh, she going like retro. It's a vibe though. Is it like a walkie-talkie? It's a vibe. Wow. Who said that? Who got beat up? Girl, me too. I don't even know. I don't even know that person. Oh, you still giving what you need? Oh shit. Oh, this sounds like a interesting relationship. Oh, Jiwoon, go check her out. Her other stuff is really fire. It's very like pop R&B too. So definitely up my alley. Love her stuff. I'm definitely gonna have to playlist this song. What's it called? Feel It Too? Definitely gotta playlist this.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to join a Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for $1 to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREKML. I'm there every day.